CMM 6R Light Transformer Oil Regeneration System. The next CMM 6R Light unit is being shipped to Latin America. This is no coincidence. GlobeCore equipment is successfully used all over the world, including hot mountainous regions. The machine is designed to regenerate electrical insulation oils during transformer maintenance. The oil passes through 6 columns, each containing 75 kilograms of Fuller's earth, a microporous material. All contaminants and aging products are captured in the sorbent granules. Turbid brown oil becomes clear and transparent. The dielectric strength is improved, as well as acidity and dissipation factor. Regeneration restores the quality of the oil to as good as new condition, and the oil can be used in transformers again for insulation and cooling. The main benefit of the CMM 6R Light is the compact size of the plant. The dimensions do not exceed 282 centimeters in length, 157 centimeters in width, and 152 centimeters in height. Nonetheless, the plant is a fully functional, waste-free regeneration solution. As soon as the quality of regeneration starts to decline, sorbent reactivation can be engaged. This occurs in the machine without the need to extract the sorbent from the columns, by burning through the sorbent at 600 degrees centigrade. The capability to reactivate the sorbent repeatedly guarantees stable quality of regenerated transformer oil. The machine is designed so that it can be used for processing of other petrochemical products. It is convenient when oil products are collected for later recycling. Based on the needs of the operation, the machine can be built as a stationary plant or placed on a trailer for mobility. Oil regeneration is performed in semi-automated mode. The operator only chooses the required operation mode and engages the relevant components. The controls of the plant are simple enough that it takes a few hours of operation to learn them. Would you like more information on this product? Visit us at www.globecore.com.